Is to read a set of numerical grades from the keyboard into an array. The maximum number of grades to be entered is 50, and data entry should be determined when a negative number is entered. Have your program sort and print the grades in descending order. First is we declare the grades in grade and set it to 50 since it only accepts 50 inputs, and we ask the user to enter how many grades you want to input, and we now have a new, and let's call this how many, and see in how many. Then use a for loop of I is equal to 0, I is less than how many, and I plus plus. We now prompt the user to enter grade this one, and see in grade. But it tells us that if the user inputs a negative number, if grade at I is less than 0, it tells us to terminate. Add this. And this, so it's inside the for loop. We now go to the sorting. So we now declare I, j, and temp. So the for loop will begin at for I is equal to 0, I is less than how many, and I plus plus. This will be a nested looping. So add another loop. This time will be j is equal to 0 and j is less than how many, and j plus plus. If the grades at I is greater than grades at j, grade at j, then we will now say that the temp will be the grade at j. It will now be the grade at I, and the grade at I will be equal to the grade at j, and grade j will be equal to temp. And now we go outside the loop and see out the grades in descending order are another looping. So if I is equal to 0, I is less than how many, I plus plus, and see out grades, grade at I, and space it. End it with this. Compile and run. That's it. We forgot to add I. So this asks how many grades you want to input. Let's say 10. Grade 1, 5, 44, 23, 24, 11, 22. And it's terminated with a negative number. 97. Grades are some more.